Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. I'm Graham and today I'm going to show you around probably one of the rarest of Evoques that I've ever seen before, and this is the Range Rover Evoque Landmark Edition. Now this is a TD4 vehicle, so a 2-litre diesel engine, and the Landmark Edition was brought out to celebrate 6 years of sales of the Range Rover Evoque. Now the vehicle itself is finished in the absolutely gorgeous Moraine Blue metallic. Now as Land Rover said, that this is to sort of a vibrant blue inspired by the Canadian Rocky Mountains, and I must admit it's absolutely tremendous. Now the Moraine Blue metallic paint is unique to the Landmark Edition, so as you can see, I just think it's the best looking Evoque I have ever seen. Now the Landmark Edition gets the full, what we'd class as the autobiography external style body kit, and that's finished in the grey metallic paint. The contrast is just wonderful. Now the vehicle sits on the absolute gorgeous 19-inch double spoke wheels. There you'll find them on Velars, those wheels, so you'll see them on Velars, and then around the vehicle we get all of the actual detailing. We've got the panoramic roof as well, the black high gloss trims down the doors, and then coming round onto the power vents on the bonnet there in the grey metallic, and then coming round the badges are in the grey metallic as well as that front grille. The trim in the centre is also a grey metallic with a black centre as well, but super looking car. Now obviously you get the extended body kit on the sills and everything like that, so they're a lot more pronounced down the bottom there, so you get that dynamic look. The power vents onto the wing and onto the door are also finished in the grey metallic. Everything about it is just in a lovely order. Now the first keeper on the registered is the Land Rover dealership in which the last keeper bought it off. So when I've looked at the paperwork, they supplied it at just on 4 or 5 months old, and it had just over 5,000 miles on the car when the last owner bought it from the Land Rover main dealership. The car then has been maintained by the Land Rover dealership throughout. So looking at it, we get the badges again on the back, and then the black number plate trim, electric tailgate, and as you can see there, a large and very spacious boot. You'll fit lots of stuff in there, and we do get then underneath the storage facility and the tyre inflation device. Electric boot, so you just press the button there and then it shuts. The detailing then of the grey metallic goes onto the back trims, and we get a centre diffuser in black, twin tail chrome piped exhaust system, and then the mud flaps are on the vehicle as well all the way around. Extended sort of tailgate spoiler with the twin blade there for your Bluetooth and your Sat Nav, and then a fixed panoramic glass roof, so you do get that sunshine throughout. But what a wonderful looking example. Now this is a keyless entry vehicle, so I've got the keys in my pocket, the dimples in the doors, you can just press the dimples in the doors, and the power fold, as you can see now, it's locked, and then when I put my hand in just to open it, it automatically power opens as well. Now we get the leather interior, the black leather with the contrast grey stitch, again an option as it says on the words on our advert. Power folding mirrors, black detail, 4 electric windows. We got the Range Rover overmat set as well, Range Rover on the kick plates, and then coming through to the leather, it's this gorgeous perforated black leather seats. And then jumping in the car, we get some very nice technology to boot. So dip the clutch within a manual, press the start button, 35,930 miles as I do the video with you today. But a lovely car. Smelling, I can tell it's not had a smoker, which is great. Automatic headlamps, automatic wipers, multifunction steering wheel trimmed in leather. We've got cruise control, and then coming onto the other we have Bluetooth as well. Heated seats, digital climate control, heated front windscreen for winter, parking sensors on the front and also on the rear, satellite navigation, Bluetooth telephone. Press the home button, it'll always go back to there. DAB radio, source, We've got the various sources there, DAB, FM, AM and auxiliary. What I like about it, I got the books out, and there you can see on the Range Rover Evoque manual and the quick guide, you do have the vehicle that we are sat in at the moment on all the fronts of that literature. But a wonderful interior as well, very well maintained. The only fault I can find is some very, very light markings on the grey on this side, and some very, very light markings on the grey on that side, probably where it's caught by the seat belt, and the gear knob has a slight wear there where your hand or your ring's been. So that's as critical as I can be. Have a look on the website, you'll see all the pictures of the service history and everything like that. But a lovely motor, panoramic glass roof there, so nice driving around in the sun with that open. If you've got children, go to Blackpool lights with it open and they can watch the lights as you're driving along. So if we have a look in the back of the car, you'll see that again it's been very, very lightly used. The black detail on the window switches, and then the piano gloss, and then also the contrast stitch, which is again, the grey stitch is special to the Landmark edition. So if you want to be one of only a very limited number with this particular vehicle, I've not seen another one, certainly whilst we've been selling Evoques. But yeah, what a gorgeous, gorgeous car. So, one owner plus Range Rover, the dealership, full maintenance history, 2 keys, full mat set, mud flaps, riding on Continental Contact 4 tyres, matching all the way around, keyless entry, panoramic roof, one of a very limited few at a fantastic price. You can see the signature headlamps as well there, as you see. So if you'd like to reserve it, give us a call. I'm Graham, I'll take £250 off you, and that will then get the car ready for you, so you only have to come to Wigan once. Have a look at our reviews, you'll see that we are a 40-year-old family business. Have a look on social media, so our Facebook and Instagram. There's lots of customers from all over the country looking at our cars like you are, who are thinking, do I go to Wigan? Yes, you do. Come and visit our luxury showroom. If you're not happy with it when you arrive, we'll refund you £250 and you've not bought it. That's as simple and as easy as that. But let me say, don't delay on this one. I reckon we'll have sold it within 24, maybe 48 hours of it going online. So, as for now, thanks for watching my video, and I look forward to your inquiry.